The first step after your initial login is to upload your profile picture. Once you've selected it, press Add Photo to upload it, or skip if you prefer not to add one. If the photo looks correct, click Save. On the next window, enter your personal details. Your name and surname are already filled in from sign-up, so you just need to add your phone number, country, city, LinkedIn profile, and job title. Fields without an asterisk are optional. Leave them blank if you prefer. When you're done, click Save and Next. The following window is the start of the company setup wizard. Click Start to begin. Here, you'll need to enter your company name, website, country, city, address, and fiscal number, along with the details of the company responsible. Some fields will already be pre-filled with your sign-up information. Next, write a short description of your company and paste it into the About Us section. Then upload your company logo, ideally a PNG file with a transparent background. Check the consent box and click Save and Next. On the following page, you can create company groups to help you organize your team later on. Press Add Group and then type the group name. To remove a group, click the bin icon. When you're done, click Save and Next. The next window is where you can upload your CV template. Click Add New. Write a short description or any guidelines for our team. Upload your template in Word or PDF format and click Send Email. Then click Next. You'll then be asked to select a plan. Click Select this plan on the option you want and confirm with Save and Next. You're now in your company settings. At the top, you'll see a list of menus covering different product features. Most settings will already be configured by our team according to your company's needs. We'll cover each of them in more detail later. For now, click Save and Next through the last menu to reach your company homepage.